Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Zelle for cryptocurrency transactions, detailed guide step by step clearly. To connect Zelle for cryptocurrency transactions, you'll first need to ensure you have a Zelle compatible bank account. Log into your online banking app or website where Zelle is available. If you haven't already, set up your Zelle account by providing your email address or mobile number. Next, choose the option to link your bank account or debit card to Zelle. After your Zelle account is set up, download a cryptocurrency wallet app that supports linking with Zelle. Common options include Coinbase, Binance, or Cash App services. Go to the wallet app and create an account if needed, following the registration process. Once inside the wallet app, locate the option for adding payment methods or funding sources. Select the option to add a bank account or payment method. Follow the prompts to enter your Zelle-linked bank account details. You may need to verify your account, which could involve receiving a small deposit for confirmation. Once verified, return to the navigate to the section where you can buy cryptocurrency. Select the type of cryptocurrency you wish to purchase. Enter the amount you want to buy and select Zelle as your payment method. Follow any prompts to complete your purchase. Once the transaction is processed, make sure to keep your wallet secure by enabling two-factor authentication. With these steps completed, you can now use Zelle for your cryptocurrency transactions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.